Assalamu alaikum students, I am Aisha Hassan. Hope you are well and taking good care of yourself. As we are revising tenses, in the first video we have revised the first type of present tense, that is present indefinite tense. Now in the second video we will revise present continuous tense. Before starting, let's have a look on its objectives. Objectives are, in this lesson we will learn definition of present continuous tense, how to form the present continuous tense. It is also called the present progressive tense. Uses of present continuous tense. Its affirmative, negative and interrogative sentences. Sentence structure and different examples. Now read the present continuous tense, its definition. The present continuous tense is also called the present progressive tense. It is a verb tense which is used to show ongoing action or action that is happening right now, either at the moment of speech or now in a larger sense. The present continuous tense can also be used to show that an action is going to take place in the near future. Now let's read in detail the uses of present continuous tense. Use the present continuous tense with normal verbs to express the idea that something is happening now, at this very moment. Like, what is happening right now? Just think about it. What is happening right now? Examples are like, I am learning, I am listening, he is talking to his friend, the baby is sleeping in his crib, we are visiting the museum in the afternoon. So these examples are showing the action that is happening right now. Next we will read the second use of present continuous tense, its longer actions in progress now. In English, now can mean this second, today, this month, this year, this century, and so on. Sometimes we use the present continuous to say that we are in the process of doing a longer action which is in progress. However, we might not be doing it at this exact second. Examples: I am studying to become a doctor. I am not reading any books this week. Are you working on any special project at work? Aren't you teaching at the university now? The next use of present continuous tense is near future, like plan of a near future. Sometimes we use the present continuous tense to indicate that something will or will not happen in the near future. Example: he is meeting his friends after school. I am not going to the party tonight. Are you visiting your cousin this weekend? I am not going to the meeting after work. Is John playing football today? Isn't he coming with us tonight? Now next we will read helping verbs of present continuous tense. Helping verbs are is, am, are. First is we use it with singular, he, she, it, or any singular name. Am we use it with I, like simple example is here, I am going to school. Are we use it with plural, like they, we, or any plural name. Sentence structure of present continuous tense. Positive sentence, subject plus helping verb is am, plus first form of verb with ing plus object. Negative sentence, subject plus helping verb is am, plus not plus first form of verb with ing plus object. Interrogative sentence, helping verb is am, plus subject plus first form of verb with ing plus object, question mark. WH question words plus helping verb plus subject plus first form of verb with ing plus object, question mark. Here are the WH question words are written over here. Where, who, when, what, why, whose, which, how. Next is negative interrogative negative sentences. Helping verb is am, plus subject plus not plus first form of verb with ing plus object plus question mark. Now we will read more examples of positive and negative sentences. I am watching television. We are reading newspaper. You are washing clothes. Usman is reading Usman is reaching home in time. He is teaching English. It is raining. I am going to China tomorrow. We are eating out tonight. Mr. Abdul Rahman is arriving this evening. Negative sentences. I am not watching television. What are? We are not reading newspaper. They are not playing football. You are not washing clothes. She is not cooking food. Sun is not rising in east. Birds are not chirping. It is not raining. Next is interrogative sentences. Am I watching television? Are we reading newspaper? Are they playing football? Are you washing clothes? Is she cooking food? Is sun rising in east? Are birds chirping? Is it raining? Where are they playing? How is she teaching? Interrogative negative sentences. Am I not washing? Am I not watching television? Are we not going to school? Are they not playing football? Are you not washing clothes? Is she not cooking food? Is sun not rising in east? Are birds not chirping? Is it not raining? So now class, here is an exercise filling the blanks with appropriate verbs. You have to use present continuous tense verbs according to the subject and do it on your copy. Thank you so much.